What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're feeling absolutely stupendous. We're going to go over Polygon. Especially, we are going to look at Ethereum as it's breaking some key levels of resistance. So currently we're sitting at 92 cents for Matic. We're up about 2% on the day. Not a lot of movement, but we just had a 20% move. So it makes sense to have a little bit of consolidation and hold levels of support. So we're sitting at a market cap of 5.92 billion, and the 24-hour volume has come down quite a bit, guys. Remember, we were just at 2 billion a couple of days ago, and we've come down to about 771 million. So we are going to start with Ethereum on the 4-hour chart. So we've broken through some key levels. We broke through 2034 and we broke through 2077 approximately, and you can see all the support and resistance in that area. And we've also broken a trend line of resistance. You can see here we had resistance right here. We also had some resistance here, resistance in this area. We had a little bit of a fake out where we broke out of this level of resistance and we rolled back underneath, but we have broken out once again. And we're also holding the 0.786 as support on the Fibonacci. I pulled my Fibonacci from our previous swing high down to our swing low. So beautiful to see us. If we can hold that level of support, if we can hold the 0.618, then we can head up to 23.98, and of course the 1.272 at about 2632. Now guys, it is the weekend, as I mentioned in my Bitcoin video, and we are seeing low volume, so fake outs are always a high possibility. We are having the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. I'm gonna pop it open to the daily chart to show you guys we are back above the 20 EMA, and we're coming up to a big test, which is the 55 EMA, which is sitting at about 21.95. So if we come up, guys, we get rejected, we start hitting resistance. You know what happens, we roll over and we see the continuation to the downside. However, if the bulls step up and get us back above the 55 EMA, especially on the weekend, that would be a beautiful signal and a strong sign that we're going to go up and test this level of resistance from this massive double bottom. If we break out of that double bottom, your breakout target is up here at 29.34. If we were to break out and hold the EMAs as support, that would be a reversal in the trend. We head up to that price target and we continue on the bull run. However, if we do come up, we hit resistance either on the 55 or on this resistance line from the double bottom, we get rejected, we roll back over. Of course, we'll see that continuation to the downside, and I've dropped in our levels of support at 1815, 1724, and 1529. But the fact that we've broken out of this trend line of resistance and we're back above the golden ratio are stronger signals that we will see continuation. But you also have to weigh in the fact that it is the weekend and we're seeing low volume, so it's difficult to enter long trades, in my opinion. I would definitely recommend, if you are trading with leverage, to use low leverage and use stop losses as fake outs on the weekends. There is a high probability, and we still haven't seen that increase in volume, but we are breaking key levels of resistance. So let's pop into Matic. So we'll start here on the 4-hour chart. So we can see we haven't seen a lot of movement for Matic, but we just had a massive move. Like, look at these green candles here. It was like a 25% move or so before we started seeing consolidation, 30% move. So we're still hitting resistance at 94 cents. We are having the bullish cross here. So if we can hold a strong level of support and see some continuation, and of course get back above the 20 EMA, which we're currently flirting with on the daily. Now I have drawn out this descending channel, which you can see we're having a little bit of a breakout. So things are looking bullish, but you can see here what the volume is still low. And it is the weekend. So what I would like to see, of course, is for us to hold support of the 20 EMA and get back above the 55 as well, to show us the bulls are back in control and are interested in reversing the trend and pushing the price up. But the volume is low right now, so please take that into consideration. But I did want to show you guys this descending channel and the fact that we have seen a breakout here. So if we do hit resistance at 94 cents and we lose 87 cents, some people are calling for a rising wedge here. Let me draw it out, which is of course a bearish reversal pattern. So if you were to see us start to come down and break below and lose 87 cents as support, then you could see that breakdown. However, the fact that we are breaking out of this larger pattern here, and the fact that Ethereum is has broken out of this trend line of resistance and we're back above the golden ratio, I'm just going to be a little bit patient here to wait and see if we can hold the strong level of support, if we can stay above this trend line of resistance, and if we can start heading up to the 0.786 on the Fibonacci. I would most likely enter some long trades with some low leverage, as of course trading long when we're in a downtrend, when we have low volume, is much more risky than going short. All right, guys, so hopefully what we see is we hold a strong level of support and we head up to these price targets. But if not, of course, we have to go over the bearish scenario. If we simply roll over and we lose the EMAs, your levels of support are 1815, 1724, back down here at about 1529, which is a previous swing low. And for Matic, if we were to fall out of this pattern, of course, we have 78 cents, 74, 70 cents, and then 54 cents and 46 cents. Just please remember, guys, it is the weekend. The volume is low. It's beautiful to see this breakout. We haven't broken this trend line of resistance since back in May. So 2 months since we've broken this trend line of resistance. So hopefully we get back above the EMAs and we see that continuation. Otherwise, it's just another fake out and continuation to the depressing downside. But you can make money on the way up or the way down. If you check out my full-length tutorial for Bybit, you can sign up at the top of the comments for up to $600 in bonuses. If you're an American, you can hop onto a VPN and still sign up to Bybit if you'd like to. Make sure to smash that like button. Check out the Discord where I post chart patterns, mostly for Bitcoin. Stay ahead of the game with trading, as well as 1,000 members to talk all things crypto. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.